So it's been 200 days since Bob Stefanowski has become the presumptive nominee of the Republican Party for governor. That was when Themis Claridis dropped out of the governor's race. And it's been 100 days since the official coronation by the Republicans of Mr. Stefanowski to head the ticket. But not much progress, and I do blame his handlers. And for that reason, I am fervent that an independent take his place. Okay? If he can withdraw, I think the prospects for a conservative will be far better. Bob's a good man. I think he should take the place in a team of really good people who could take it to the Democrats. Let me say why it's almost certainly going to get harder for Bob. 4 reasons. Number 1, the word Republican. It doesn't work well in Connecticut. How do I know this? It's because unlike Fox News, which is profiling Kentucky, Nebraska, Texas, where there might indeed be a red wave coming, in Connecticut and the Northeast, it's not there, okay? When I petitioned to get on the ballot, that was this summer, many urban people were willing to sign my petition if I was independent. Unwilling if you use the R word on them. Here's number 2. It's something that Bob's handlers have unfortunately put him into that's going to come up over and over and over again. Guns. And he doesn't have a good answer. 4 years, and he doesn't have a good answer on the protection that guns in the hands of trained civilians give to all of us. Number 3, no good answer here. It's a hard one, but the abortion issue, okay? Bob's not able, we haven't seen it anyway, to be fervent on any one thing. There are many independents, I'm one of them. Even though I'm not running for governor, I'm one of them who can give a very clear answer to how I would rule as an assemblyman. And finally, this is not Bob's fault, but he's stuck with it, whereas an independent is not. He is stuck with Donald Trump. He doesn't have a good answer, and I don't know that anyone in Connecticut has a really good answer if they're labeled Republican. But an independent like me does. Okay, I have an easy answer. I'm a DeSantis Democrat. The best governor of my lifetime in Florida, who I hope will be our president in 2024, is for the taking. And it's so easy for any Republican to, yes, jettison the Trumpsters. But where are they going to go? And for these guys not to. Yes, they're foregoing some donations. They're going to get some crap. A leader should be able to stand up from some crap from the far of his party. Okay? I can stand up. All right? I'm only running for assembly, but I can easily say to the Trumpsters in my district, decent president, we've got a better one coming. Not heard. I'm Mark Stewart.